Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that truly baffles me: the incredible value of free education versus skyrocketing costs of many specialized training programs. We are talking about programs that can demand the price of a small car, sometimes even well over tens of thousands of dollars for just a few weeks of instruction. And then you have a world renowned institution like Harvard offering a wealth of their courses for absolutely free. In many cases, these free Harvard courses are not just good, they are superior to what you might pay a fortune for. I'm not overstating this. We are going to explore some phenomena free Harvard courses that can equip you with far more knowledge than many expensive alternatives out there. Now, a quick disclaimer: I'm not inherently against all specialized training programs. In the right scenario for the right individual, they can be highly effective tools. Similarly, I don't believe everyone needs to go to a traditional 4 year college. Education comes in many forms, and the key is using the right tool for the job. However, what's truly frustrating is seeing people accumulating massive debt for skills they could acquire for free from a top tier university. Harvard provides these courses through its Harvard Online platform, with many originally developed for edX. You can access them through either platform. The best part: they are 100% free to audit, meaning you get all the content, lectures, and assignments without paying a dime. You pay only if you decide if you want the certificate. Let's explore some of these game changing opportunities. First up, let's talk about CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This isn't just a basic overview, it's a monumental course offering serious foundational AI knowledge directly from Harvard professors. I've seen AI training programs charging substantial fees that barely scratch the surface of what this course delivers. So, what will you master? You'll learn to build search algorithms from the ground up, create knowledge representation systems, develop neural networks, and grasp the core principles of machine learning. Many paid programs might just teach you to import a software library and tweak a few settings. This Harvard course teaches you the fundamental why behind AI's operation. That's the difference between merely using AI tools and truly understanding them well enough to innovate and build new ones. And let's be honest, the builders in this rapidly expanding industry are the ones who command the highest value. The AI sector is experiencing incredible growth, and those with deep understanding of these principles and not just familiarity with the latest tools are poised for greatest success. Fair warning though, this is a challenging course requiring a significant intellectual commitment. Now, for those who might not be looking to dive into AI creation, our next recommendation is a foundational classic: Harvard CS50 Intro to Computer Science. This course is legendary and has garnered immense recognition online, with countless success stories of individuals securing jobs after completing it. It's taught by David Mullen, a celebrated figure in computer science education. Why does this course excel where many others fall short? While some training programs focus on quickly churning out code, CS50 ensures you truly understand memory management, algorithmic efficiency, and data structures. These are the core fundamentals that define a true computer scientist, and not just someone who can follow a recipe. Many industry leaders and hiring managers often express frustration that some graduates, while capable of building specific applications, struggle profoundly with technical interviews because they lack these essential computer science principles. This course directly addresses that gap, providing a robust foundation that enables you to adapt to any programming challenge. You'll work with multiple languages like Python, SQL, JavaScript, rather than being confined to a single technology stack, which is a common limitation of many specialized programs. Speaking of foundational skills, before we delve deeper into advanced topics, let's talk about building that crucial academic bedrock. For anyone looking to solidify their learning from the ground up, especially students from K 12 or those preparing for competitive exams, developing strong foundational knowledge is paramount. This is where Wisdomy comes in. At Wisdomy, we provide online one on one live tuitions tailored for students in K 12 and for competitive exam preparations. We believe in personalized learning that sets you up for success in advanced fields, much like how these Harvard courses build deep understanding. We even offer a free trial class so that you can experience our teaching style firsthand before making any commitment. It's easy to reach us and book your free session. Simply visit our website or contact us directly. Moving on, our third major recommendation is data science, machine learning. So, this field is currently experiencing explosive growth with immense career potential. While this course is quite advanced and conceptually demanding, simply having it on your resume demonstrates a proactive commitment to learning. Even a partial understanding of these concepts can significantly enhance your professional profile. Now, the difference in earnings between machine learning engineers with basic knowledge versus those with deep grasp of the subject can be substantial. Many long-term programs might teach you to import a popular machine learning library and run a model. Anyone can learn to do that with a quick online search. Harvard course, however, delves into the intricate mathematics behind machine learning. You'll understand loss functions, gradient descent, cross validation, and feature engineering. This profound understanding empowers you to tune models more effectively, select the most appropriate algorithms, and even develop custom solutions when off the shelf tools aren't sufficient. This kind of expertise is what sets apart the top data scientists who command premium salaries. Again, this one requires serious dedication, but the payoff is immense. Next up, CS50's introduction to cybersecurity. So, this is another incredibly hot field, and frankly, some cybersecurity boot camps are among the worst offenders when it comes to overcharging. I've seen programs that teach little more than how to run basic vulnerability scanners and memorize compliance rules, all for a hefty price tag. Howard's course, in stark contrast, teaches security from the first principles. We are talking threat modeling, cryptography fundamentals, and secure system design. Instead of just learning to use tools without understanding their underlying mechanisms, you learn how attackers think and how to design systems that are inherently secure. The career opportunities here are staggering. There's a massive global demand for cybersecurity experts with a significant number of unfilled positions worldwide. Companies are actively seeking individuals who genuinely comprehend security, not just those with a piece of paper. So, I personally know someone who, after taking this course and adding a couple of certifications, secured a six-figure job within an year with no prior degree or experience, but with just focused, intelligent learning. Finally, we have CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This Harvard course offers incredible flexibility across multiple languages, so you'll gain a deep understanding of HTTP fundamentals, API design, far beyond just memorizing syntax. This course teaches you to build web applications using Python, Flask, and JavaScript, providing a versatility that single stack tech programs simply cannot match. The critical advantage here is adaptability. The web development landscape evolves incredibly fast. If your knowledge is limited to one framework because that's what your bootcamp covered, you might quickly become outdated. But if you grasp the fundamental workings of web applications, you can rapidly pick up any new framework. This is what these foundational courses are all about. In summary, while I value all forms of education, many alternative education programs sometimes focus too narrowly on specific tools rather than the foundational principles. That's where these pre Harvard courses truly excel. They fill those crucial knowledge gaps and equip you with the deep understanding that employers value. So, they are not a guaranteed job on their own, but they provide the essential building blocks and make you a far more attractive candidate. So, whether you are looking to launch a new career, deepen your existing skills, or simply explore a fascinating new field, these free Harvard courses are an unparalleled resource. And remember, for solidifying your academic foundations from K-12 to competitive exam preparation, Wisdom is here to offer personalized one-on-one live tutoring with a free class to get you started. Don't miss out on these incredible opportunities to invest in yourself. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.